Okay, Baba.
Yeah, and then we can do another session.
Okay, before 11, I'll have to.
Do your mini lessons.
Okay, just text me if she's ready to repeat.
Okay. And if it takes a bit longer, we'll
Oh yeah, just text me.
That might be easier.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, you're all right, Baba? Okay, see you. Good luck.
Background, I'm going to teach you.
You're by yourself. Nakabalik na pala kami ng bahay. Time is 12:29. And duman ako sa post office kasi may na-receive na ako na dumating na raw yung order ko sa Amazon. Gawan ko lang si Holly ng lunch. Mayroon kaming smiley frites.
Hot cross bun.
Hot cross bun. So yan yung kanyang lunch.
Let me put the hot cross buns in now.
Wash your hands first, please.
Oh, that's
And yung dance ni Holly kanina is yun yung first lesson niya for hip-hop. So mayroon ng hip-hop si Holly. And eto, iba din yung, iba rin yung bayaran dito. Iba rin bayaran dito. Per session kasi siya. So, medyo expensive tong hip-hop. And eto yung mas murang option. Kasi, inoferan ako nung, yung nagra-run ng school, inoferan niya ako na kung gusto ko raw si Holly na ipabook doon sa isang teacher din na hip-hop dancer from Queensland. So, meron kasi siya mga lessons na gagawin din dito sa Mount. So, inas niya ako kung pwede raw i-book si Holly doon. Tapos, tinanong ko kung magkano. Kasi sa dancing, mahal ang dance class, especially pag solo, like one-on-one. So, tinanong ko, ang sabi niya, per hour is $200. Sabi ko, no, $200 per hour lang yun ha. Tapos, ilang session yun. So, sabi ko, pass muna ako sa hip-hop. Tapos, gustong-gusto niya talaga si Holly mag-hip-hop din. Para nga, madagdagan yung kanyang solo competition. So, meron siyang jazz and eto na, yung isa,
jazz and
hip-hop. So, hinanapan niya ako na mas murang class na hip-hop. Sabi ko, siguro pag medyo na si Holly, doon ako pwede ko siyang i-book doon. Pero yung yung 200 per hour, sabi ko parang isang oras, 200. Sabi ko, hindi. At saka hindi ako yung papayagan niya dyan na. Ang dami nagre-reklamo na nga si Jan kasi si Holly napaka-busy na kasi ang dami niya ng lessons. Tapos, pag sinabi ko pa sa kanya yung price na 200 per hour, hindi yan magaan. So, nahanapan niya ako. So, which is etong isa. Mahal siya kasi nagre-rent sila. Nire-rent nila yung studio kung sino yung magtuturo ng solo. Like, sa hip-hop. So, nirent niya yung studio. Kaya medyo may kamahalan. Pero mas mura siyang konti. So, siya? 100. 100 siya. So, 2 hours kanina si Holly sa dance lesson niya. So, per session siya. Tapos, binigay niya sa amin yung song. Tapos, pinilm nila yung steps na ginawa nila ni Holly. So, pag-aaralan yun ni Holly. Tapos, magbubook kami sa kanya every week, every now and then. Especially pag, halimbawa, may comp na parating si Holly, yun, magbubook kami sa kanya ng ilang session, gano'n. Kasi yung regular dance ni Holly, per term ang bayad. So, yung dalawang solo ni Holly, yung jazz, saka itong hip-hop, iba rin yung bayad. So, yeah, akala ko ang pinakamahal ng sports is golf. Hindi. Mas mahal ang sa akin nasa ngayon, mas mahal yung dance. Kasi, aside nga dun sa by term, na lesson ni Holly na 4 na yon. So, binabayaran ko siya. So, ngayon naman, bayaran naman ng second term. Kasi, second term next week. So, magbabayad naman ako ng second term niya sa dance. Yun yung ballet, jazz, turns, and aerial. Yung aerial mahal din. Yun, mahal siya compared dun sa ballet, jazz, tsaka turns. So, yun, per term ang bayad doon. So, yun nga lang, yung solo, per session siya. Plus yung costume, my God, nakakaloka mga ano ng costume, guys. Ang presyuhan din. Yung ano nga ni Holly, yung costume na yun, second hand lang yun. Ano na, mahal din yun. Ilang ano din siya, ilang daan din siya. Tapos may nakausap akong isang mom. Nakwento ba sa inyo? Pinagawa niya yung anak niya na worth 500 or 700 na costume. Oh my God. Wala, ang mahal. Sabi ko, pag-uwi na lang ng Pinas, magpatay si Holly doon sa mga patahian. Mga iba-ibang costume na may mga, yung may mga gems, yun. We'll see. Pero ngayon, nahanap muna ako ng mga second. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Mga second hand, kasi hindi ko alam kung saan nagpapatahi. Ha? 4 pieces. So, yun guys, yung update natin sa kanyang dance. So, meron rin naman siyang pag-aaralan aside doon sa jazz, dito sa bahay, kasi kailangan niyang i-practice yun. You have to practice 2 dance now. So, yung hip-hop dance niya, mix of 2 songs.
Thanks, Mom.
Diba? Mix of 2 songs yung kanyang hip-hop. Do you know the title of your hip-hop, Baba?
It's all about chapstick or something.
It's all about chopstick. Yeah, it's all about chopstick. Hindi chopstick. Akala ko una chopstick. Yung lipstick. Ito, i-unbox ko po sa inyo. So, yung vlog natin is combination ng kahapon ata. At saka ng isang araw. We'll see. Kasi hindi nga ako araw-araw nagbablog, guys. Kasi hindi ko pa tapos yung ibang vlogs na i-edit. Kasi hindi ako nakakapag-edit araw-araw din kasi nga sa ganap ng mga bata. Akala ko school holiday for 2 weeks. Magpapaano kami. Yung alam mo yung relax. Hindi. Mas busy kami compare sa regular day nila na may pasok sila. Mas busy kami sa kanila. Sa mga sports. Tapos kahapon, show me your ano Baba. Get me all your clothes. Kahapon, meron silang training kahapon. Si Holly first time niya mag-training sa ka-age niya, sa ka-team niya. Yeah, with your team.
Second.
When was the first one?
Remember when I had to skip?
Ah, okay. This is the second one. Tapos yung isa pala, yung buong netball na meron silang parang isang training na dapat nandoon lahat. Nung piniskip ko siya you skip your dance that time. Yeah, so ito yung second niyang nakalarong sa training yung mga ka-team. And, eto.
That's a long sleeve.
Meron na si Holly this is your training or game?
Training.
Game. Training?
We're all training.
Okay. Lahat pala to training, guys, na damit. So, eto, may pangalan na Holly. So, kagabi nila to kinuha and doon din nag-dinner kagabi. Then, Holly, t-shirt lang. Tapos, this one, is this yours? No, this is Zachary.
It's mine.
This is yours too? So, you have 3? Why? That's a lot.
Dad ordered me 3.
Your dad ordered you 3.
Mom, why is my t-shirt?
No, this is Daddy. Kasi si Jen, di ba, ano siya, assistant coach siya sa team nila kuya, yes. And this is, who's this? Zach. May pangalan ni Zach. Ayan, Zachary. May pangalan dyan, Zach. And this is yours. This is your jumper, Holly, right? Hindi to bago.
That's yours, I think.
No, this is not mine. Too small. This is yours from last night. You wore this last night. And, di ba, hindi ko mahanap yung ganito ko. Kasi alam ko, nilagay ko sa box. Baka nandun sa shed. Nakatambak. So, nagpa-order ako kay Jan nito. Kasi meron din silang ganito. Ayan. Ano na to, guys? Small. Ayan, small na siya. Pero, parang ang laki pa din. Gusto ko sana nga yung medium. Kaya sabi ni Jan, no, ang laki na ng small. So, yan yung in-order ni Jan sa akin. Okay. So, unbox natin to. Ito ay Amazon UK. So, from UK pa to. Amazon. Kasi hindi to available dun sa Amazon Australia. Oh, sana ito yun. Akala ko malaki siya, hindi pala. Hala! Basag! Anong gagawin ko? This is broken. Hala! Ha?
Oh,
Hello guys, it's broken.
didn't you have to return that?
How to complain? Packing sleep for... Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit ang tunog niya?
Mom, you're gonna have to return that.
I have to. Tingnan nyo, basag na. Bowl siya, guys. Ay.
You have to return that.
Yes, I have to contact. Ano ba yan? Maririnig mo talaga siyang nag-shake. From UK pa to. Tapos yung box niya, malambot. Wala. O, tingnan nyo. Na-squish siya ng very easy. So, paano to? Pag-aralan ko paano to i-complain. I got my package broken into 5 pieces. 5 pieces talaga. Ay, sayang. Okay, eto dito lang naman to. From New South Wales. Wala, basag talaga siya. Nakakasal. Ito hindi to basag kasi stainless. Oh. This is Rorenz mixing bowl set. Kinuha ko to kasi meron siyang lid. May takip siya. And may kasama siyang pang-whisk. Ayan. Pero for sure hindi to yung siya, tawag noon, matibay. Kasi meron akong mga ganito, lagi ko naman kasing ginagamit, kaya madali silang masira talaga. Ay, heavy din siya. Mas heavy ito kaysa dito. So, meron tayo nito, spatula na half, and then, brush. Mabigat yung niya, mabigat. May metal siguro to sa loob. And this one, another spatula. Uy, bakit ang dami? Ang daming dalawa. Dalawang size siya. Dalawang size yung kanyang pang-whisk. Sana tumagal talaga to. And another, ano bang tawag dito? Ayan. Pang-sangkot siya. Then, eto yung bowl. Ayan. So, eto yung brand niya, guys. Rorenz. Ayan. So, meron siyang tatlong iba-ibang size. Ito yung pinakamaliit. Ang ganda na, maganda yung niya, texture. Then, iba-ibang kulay, white, and this one is green. Ayan. So, may bago tayong gamit dito sa ating kusina. And meron siyang measurement. Ayan, dito. So, ilan to? 2.5 liter. Ito, 1 liter. Okay? Then, the biggest bowl, ilang liter to? 4.5 liter. So, ayan, meron tayong bagong bowls. And, kaya ko ito in order. Kasi wala akong ganitong mga size. Meron ako yung stainless ko lang. Yun lang yung
Mama, yun
lang yung proper kong bowl.
Mommy, I need different plates, Missy.
Go get. It's alright na, Baba. Para tipid tayo sa ugat. Get the butter. It's alright. Come on, get the butter, please. Pwede matapos-tapos yung ating... Here, Baba. Come on. May kinuha pa akong hot cross bun sa place. I know. So, i-research ko pa yung paano siya.
What was it supposed to be? Big small.
Ceramic siya guys na bowl. You're welcome. Ito yung kanyang mga takip. O, diba? Para pa nagmamarinate ako ng mga, kung ano man nagmamarinate ko, meron na tayong pang takip. Sana. O. Ibang takip niya. Para siyang, di ba ang takip nag-overlap dito? Ito parang, nga lang. Ayun. Okay. Ayan. So, ipupush mo siya ng bongga. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. Ang ganda ng... Baba, your favorite color?
Yay, blue!
Baby blue. Oh,
What's it
natanggal.
for?
Ha?
What's it for?
For, when I go baking or marinating. So, dapat ipush siya.
Baby blue.
Tapos, eto. And meron pa akong in-order. Sa US naman yung guys. Another gamit dito sa kusina. Excited akong ma-receive yun. I-unbox ko rin yun sa inyo.
Doesn't make it to keep it still fresh.
Yes. O, ayan. Ayan na yung ating bagong bowls. Ang ganda ng,
Biggest to small.
ang ganda ng kulay, no? Pastel color siya. So, linisan ko lang dito. Hugasan ko na rin to para ma-store somewhere. Somewhere dito. Kung nasan yung mga bowls ko. And maganda siya kasi, ayan, masisave yung space. Ayan. Okay. And si Jan pala tsaka yung boys, nag-fishing sila. Kasi si Kuya, diba, nahihilig mag-fishing. So, kuhaan niya raw ako ng snapper. Well, binigyan kami ng yung nag-charter kay Jan, ng mga taga-Melbourne. Binigyan ako ng fillet ng guys. Wala nang balat, wala nang buto na snapper. Tapos tinanong ko si Jan, nasan yung ulo? Sabi, tinapo na daw nung mga nung mga nag-charter sa akin. Sabi ko, bakit di mo man sinay para sa akin? Sabi niya, wala ako nung nilinis nila yun. So, yun. Okay. Mag-unboxing. Hugasan ko muna to and i-figure out ko kung paano ko ito masasauli or makukomplain na basag to. Ganda sana to. Ceramic bowl din to eh. Hugasan ko na yung Lawrence. Ayan, nakatago yung dalawa dyan. Yan, hugasan na natin siya. And yung ating herbs, ayan siya. Sana talaga lumago, no? Lumago ka, please. So, meron pala ako ditong, tira ko to kagabi, nag-add lang ako ngayon ng carrots. Meron tong cucumber, carrots, na ganito rin yung pagka-slice ko. And meron akong tuna. So, ngayon, dadagdagan ko lang ng avocado dressing. Kagabi, gumawa rin ako ng avocado dressing and gustong-gusto ko siya. So, gawa ulit ako. Meron tayo ditong yogurt. That's my lime. So, lime and sibuyas. Masarap na yung sibuyas. So, ito yung lalagay ko. Ay! Yan. Sibuyas, Greek yogurt, and lime. Tapos, i-blender ko siya. Naglagay din pala ako kagabi ng chili. Ito yung dried chili lang. Chili flakes. So, depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo din. Optional. And avocado. Nanonood ako ng Korean drama. Ano to? Anong tawag dito? Miss Night and Day. So, pag umaga, ano siya, matanda. Tapos pag gabi, ano siya, dalagang mukha niya. Naglalaba din pala ako. Nasaan yung aking? Nasa ano ko, nasa dishwasher yung aking pang squeeze ng lime or lemon. Baba, can you press another one, please? Yung washing kasi, siya yung pinapapindot.
Oh, yummy.
Ano ba? Ano po yan?
Ano?
Ano ba? Lagi sinasabi pa, may ginagawa.
Because I get confused with them. What are you making? A smoothie?
No, avocado dressing.
Do you have any
May
more
langaw.
avocado?
Yeah, but that's for later.
I love avocado. Can I try some of it?
Huh?
Can I try some of it?
Yeah.
Some of it?
Oops. Then
Have
lime.
you seen this on any pepper and salt?
Lagay tayo ng pepper and salt.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's enough, Mommy. That's so. P is for pepper.
So, konting tubig para hindi siya ganun ka-thick. Ito na siya. Magtira ko para mamaya. Yun lang. Oh, higpit. Ah, wala tayong batas. Ayan. Ito, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung consistency niya. Ayan, ito. Gamit tayo nito. Ayan. Hindi siya ganun ka lapot. Tama lang. Lagay ako ng aking tuna. Naubusan ako ng cucumber. Masarap din ito pag may cucumber. Ubusin ko na itong tuna. Naka-anto, hindi siya oil. Brine yung kanyang napagbabaran. Brine. Kasi may oil, di ba? May olive oil or brine. So, yan. Tira ko to para mamaya. And eto na yung aking lunch. Yeah. It's spicy daw. I put... Si TJ gusto to. Kasi nung isang araw gumawa rin ako nito. And nagustuhan ni Kuya. Ayaw nila ng avocado ha, pero hindi ko lang sinabing may avocado.
That's good. That's not that spicy.
Yeah.
How do you get this?
Ito na yung ating lunch.
This yolk is good.
Good? Okay. Try muna ako.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking toward.
Kanina pa ako salita ng salita, hindi pala naka-film guys. So nakuha daw ni Kuya is, what you got ya? Snapper and zigzag. What you got, Zach?
Nothing. Yeah, I did, son.
What?
I got one of those red things. You got this.
Ah, he got that one?
Yeah.
That's the shark.
And I got one of those fish up there. I think it was
What?
that one. No, that was Dad.
All the big stuff.
No, I got them all! Dad had a big one on, but
So ito daw is snapper daw. So this is snapper to?
Yeah.
I had a big one on as well.
Snapper din daw
Yeah,
to.
I had it. Oh, I thought it was. Oi, TJ, that one that could
Madami silang nakuha.
Both of ours.
Uy, madami. It's cold now. Ooh. So you've been sleeping, Zach, after you caught or before? After.
Good sleep.
Good sleep. How many hours you fish?
That's my.
Anong oras kayo nag-fishing?
All day.
All day? What time you left na? 8?
Just after 8, I reckon.
Yeah, 8:30.
I think that's all of it done.
Yeah. This one was
What's
on
this
mine.
fish?
Yours was
What
on
kind
this
of
one
fish that
that
one?
I got up.
Teriyaki.
Ha?
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki.
Yeah.
Anong teriyaki, guys? Ganyan ang itsura. Oh. Is it really fishy or have you tried it, bro?
Nah, I don't reckon.
No.
Have you tried it?
What, turkey?
Yeah.
No, that's not fishy. Turkey's alright.
It's not fishy. There's no.
What I normally do, Dane, is cut it.
So magpipizza raw kami tonight. What?
Just my leg.
Siya, hindi siya magpipizza. Meron pa ako doon na left. You know, I still have leftover the one I baked. Remember? The beef with the
Yesterday.
Is it yesterday? Yeah.
I'd have that.
Yeah. Okay. Ay, malamig na, guys. Ayaw nila magkaliskis.
How is so good for this one?
Uy, that's sharp.
That's where I hooked it.
Oh, I don't think so. John will never eat the eyes.
Oh, you're freaking over.
Kasi sabi ko, sa akin yung ulo, sa kanila yung laman. Kasi ayan, pinifilay nila. The best
I don't
part,
care.
that's the belly.
No, it's not.
Yes, that's the belly part. That's good for soup. Ayaw yung ibigay sa akin kasi puro
Get nothing
bone.
out of it.
It's the
Or it
flavor.
gets a bone in your throat. It's not worth it.
I'm not gonna eat now.
And then you're in hospital.
No, it's not. Ayaw nila ibigay yung belly. Tinatapo ni
Well,
John.
what, that John, or have they have chunk taken out of him?
Is that how it looks like?
Oh, I can't remember now.
None of the other ones have got it.
Tinatanggal. Ayan na yan. Sabi ko, eto akin to, huwag niyang itapon. Gusto ko rin sana yung belly part. Ayun dyan kasi puro buto. Just put the belly here, Han. Ayun.
Look at it. It's all bone in there.
Just give it a bit.
Ayan na, oh. So, eto na yung mga isda. Ayan. Nagdala rin sila, bro. But mostly dito is yung may mga buto. Pinakip ko yung buto. Yung iba, ayaw na ni Jan ikip man doon na ayaw niya. Kasi sabi niya, ang dami na raw. So, tinapon na yung iba. Come on, Baba. Where's the bag? Nilalagyan ko pala ng rubber yung bag. Kasi, hirap siyang itali. So, rubber na lang. Ayan, meron dito. Okay, tapos ko na silang lagyan ng rubber band. And si Jan nag-order ng pizza. Kasi mag-pizza kami. Kami ni Holly, chicken wings, buffalo wings. I'll put this in the freezer, okay? Han, Kuya, open that one, please. Kasi kakain pa tayo ng pizza. Oh. Where's the kebaba? Pick upin namin yung in-order na pizza.
Pizza, but me and Mom got chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Oh.
So, hi guys. We're going to pick up our food. Mom, do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Do you have cash?
No.
Card?
Do I have my card here?
I
My
think you can pay card. I think you can pay card there.
Yeah. I don't have cash, you know that.
So I think Zach ordered. Wait, so Dad ordered I think.
Meat lovers? I think.
Did he? No. Yeah, I think a meat lovers or something. And then Zach ordered a meat. No, Zach ordered a meat lovers.
No, Kuya Sak ordered bacon and cheese.
Yeah, which is
Meat
meat
and cheese.
lovers.
No, meat lovers is different one. And what Kuya TJ got?
I think he's sharing with Dad.
No, he's have the chicken calzone.
Oh,
The one you
chicken calzone.
Yeah. The one you
Yeah.
had before.
And I am really hungry, which is good. Mom, I might eat the most.
You can eat it all.
No, you have some. You can have. How much is there?
It's 1,012 pieces.
You have 7, no, or 8.
8? Why 8?
I don't know. How much do you want?
Oh, maybe I'm just gonna have 3. I'm not sure. I'm still full from my food that I had.
For lunch.
Yeah. It wasn't late.
That was a late lunch, though. That was near dinner. We're nearly there.
Can you smell the ocean, Mama?
Yeah,
What?
and it smells like fart.
It smell like what?
Fart.
What?
Yeah. But I'd say the fish is stinkier.
But you know,
I love fish, but I don't like the smell.
when it's raw,
Yeah.
when it's cleaning.
Yeah, when it's
Do we have lights? I don't know if we do have lights.
it's really hard to tell because it's still a little bit daylight.
Yeah.
See?
But I see a lot of people already have their lights on.
Yeah, it's still a little bit of daylight.
Oh, that's stinky.
And it smells even more like fart.
This is worse.
Mmm. Woo!
Where's the pizzeria, Mama?
It's
Yeah,
just up there. Yep. We're here. Oh my god. Let's take my seatbelt off when we stop moving. Let's go. Alright. Bye. See you when we get our food.
That looks cute. Ito na kami. Pick upin lang namin. Yan na yung ating na-order. Balik na tayo sa shed. Asan na yung aking camera? Yung cover. Ha, ayan. Si Din may dinner siya. Kung saan natin to binili. Doon sila magdi-dinner. So, ayan yung chicken wings. Did you wash your hands, right? Yeah.
Meat or chicken?
Barbecue chicken. Ayan kay Kuya. Chicken
If there was a maid,
You want chicken? Yeah. Here.
One.
Si Sak. What? Ayan yung kay Sak.
I should have got a maid the one.
I have one bite.
Good ba ba? Ang pinake do? Ayaw nyo to. Di ba may sinave ako doon na avocado dressing? Hindi natin yung makakain tonight. Careful with your jump up. Good ta?
We just had 4 bits of toast.
When you get home,
No. You're starving.
you will be full.
Nah, you want some. You know, man, he has, I reckon, what Zachary.
Tingnan niyo si Kuya. Mauubos niya yung kanyang dinner. Ang laki nun. Si Jan, ubos na. Si Sak, meron pang 2. Si Holly, tapos na. And yung mga kinakain ko ay yung mga tira ni Holly dito. Kasi sayang, yung mga ganito, yun pa naman ang best part. Ayan si Sak. Yan, tulad nito. Another one. So, wala pa akong nakakain na buong ganito. Kasi ako yung taga-simot. Sino nakaka-relate? Ito mga gusto ko, mga gilid-gilid. Ayan yung tira. Busog na rin ako. And si Sak may tirang isa. Well, 2 yan. Kinain ni Kuya yung isa. And nandito yung air fryer natin. Hindi pa nailagay ni dyan sa tamang position niya. Nilagay niya muna dito sa table. But yeah, nandito na siya. Sak, let's close the vlog, Sak! Ayan, good night na guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next one. Good night. Busog. Ayan na yung isda. Come on, it's alright.
What was it?
No, that's the one that, yeah, but it's alright.
No, I went like that.
Yeah, that one.
Move
Okay.
over. Other way.
Other way, here. Yeah, okay, come on. Di ba nagbabay na ako? Okay. Kinuha lang namin yung isda. Si Kuya may iwan dito kay Daddy.
Mom, when I get home, I'm having a shower.
Yeah, but we're gonna get the clothes. The one that I have. Si Jan nagluluto pa ng lobster. Ayan. Okay, come on, Baba. Let's go. You're staying with Daddy? Okay. Han. See you.
I love you.
Love you
Bye.
too.
Please like, please subscribe. Have a good. See you on the next vlog.
What is that?
What do you got, Tyrone? Don't go down too quick because you're going slack. You got to be, when you're going down, you got to be winding. Just calm down. Come on, don't lose it now. You're nearly there. Oh, okay, get up. Get him over. Oh, nice bloody nanny there, Tyrone.
Why did it fight so hard?
That's not a bad fish, man.
That's a bloody good nana guy. Well done, mate. What's that, Brock? Rizla! Rizla! Get a shark, mate.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me.